Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So I have another wig review for you today, and if you're interested in seeing what Zarina looks like, then I want you to stay tuned. I'll be back with more information. Some of the specifications for Zarina: she has that 5G True HD transparent lace, and I'll tag one of my previous videos somewhere here or here where you can go back and learn more information about this particular lace. It can hold up to 350 degrees to 400 degrees worth of heat. I will be reviewing the FF Golden Light Caramel color. Also, in this particular wig, it does come in a different array of colors as seen here on the stock card. And now we'll take a look at the wig itself, so we have more information coming up soon. Here's Zarina out of the pack. Again, I'm reviewing that FF Golden Light Caramel color. And this is what she looks like. It does come with baby hairs, as you can see along the perimeter of this particular wig. This is the 5G high definition transparent lace. That's what it looks like up close. This is the construction on the inside. It does have a comb at the nape of the wig. It also has the adjustable band. This particular wig does offer 2 additional combs on the right and left sides of the wig. Something I want to point out before I actually come back wearing this particular wig, it's confusing to me a little bit. On the sides we have this curl, but in the back we have a different texture, or more wavy, loose curls versus on the side of the wig. I don't know what that's about, but we're gonna check it out. Stay tuned. So here I am wearing Zarina, and the color that I'm wearing is FF Golden Light Caramel. This is the color, and I love it. I absolutely love the color. Let me do a side to side so that you can see her. I want you to tell me what you think about Zarina in the comment section below. I do like the style. I don't know if I like the different texture in the back of the wig though. But I do think she's a fun, very flirty wig, and I'm absolutely loving her. But let me know what you think in the comment section below. Off camera, what I did with this particular wig was I cut the lace off, and you've seen a number of videos showing you how to cut the lace off, so there was no need for me to do that. Check out some of the other videos on YouTube if you need to know how to cut the lace. I'm gonna come up close so that you can see the high definition lace. It looks really good. That 5G high definition transparency lace. I'm loving it. Thank you for joining me again today on the Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and we'll be back next week with another wig review.